Good day, friends. Today we're diving into a hypothetical policy shift that could significantly impact the US tech industry and skilled foreign workers. This analysis will explore a potential $100,000 fee on H-1B visas. Donald Trump signed a proclamation on Friday that would impose an annual $100,000 fee on H-1B visa applications, examining who would be affected and how. We'll also delve into the broader implications for innovation and the U.S. economy, providing a comprehensive overview of this significant policy discussion. The H-1B visa program allows U.S. companies to employ foreign workers in specialized occupations requiring theoretical or technical expertise. These roles typically demand at least a bachelor's degree and are prevalent in fields like technology, engineering, and medicine. The H-1B visa program has been a critical component of the U.S. economy, allowing American companies to attract and retain highly skilled foreign professionals. These professionals contribute across various fields, including technology, healthcare, engineering, and finance, bolstering the nation's workforce. Under this hypothetical scenario, employers would be required to pay a $100,000 fee for each H-1B visa application. This substantial amount is in addition to existing fees, which already include costs for the H-1B lottery registration and petition filing. The Trump administration argues this overhaul will protect U.S. workers, strengthen wage standards, and close loopholes in the H-1B process. The impact of such a fee would be widespread, affecting both companies and individual visa applicants across the board. Large corporations, startups, and small to medium-sized businesses would all feel the pinch of this increased cost. A company sponsoring multiple H-1B workers could face a substantial increase in expenses, significantly impacting their operational budgets. HR departments would need to revise budgets, adjust compensation packages to meet potentially higher wage standards, and prepare for increased scrutiny and violence. Some businesses might even consider expanding operations overseas rather than in the United States, seeking more cost-effective talent solutions. For international professionals, particularly in STEM fields, the $100,000 fee could make the H-1B visa virtually inaccessible. Early career workers, recent graduates, and those from industries with lower salaries might see U.S. work opportunities diminish significantly. Students on optional practical training hoping to transition to H-1B status could also face a more selective job market. The financial burden is the most immediate concern, but the effects extend far beyond mere costs, impacting strategic decisions. The fee could make hiring foreign talent prohibitively expensive, especially for startups and SMBs with limited resources. Companies might be forced to prioritize only the most critical or senior roles for H-1B sponsorship, limiting entry-level opportunities. Companies might shift their hiring strategies, focusing more on domestic talent or exploring alternative visa options. Some may choose to offshore jobs to countries with lower labor costs, potentially impacting the U.S. job market. Many argue that restricting access to skilled foreign professionals could weaken the United States' standing as a global innovation leader. H-1B workers contribute significantly to innovation, job creation, and tax revenue, driving economic growth. Restrictions could slow down research and development, product launches, and the overall pace of technological advancement. Proponents of the fee argue that it would protect American workers, ensure fair wages, and reduce potential exploitation. They believe it could incentivize companies to invest more in training American workers and prioritize hiring domestically. If such a fee were implemented, companies and individuals might explore alternative visa options to maintain their workforce. These include O-1 visas for extraordinary ability, L-1 visas for intra-company transfers, and TN visas for Canadian and Mexican citizens. Additionally, the EB-2NIW offers a green card option for highly qualified professionals without employer sponsorship. The hypothetical $100,000 H-1B visa fee represents a potentially seismic shift in U.S. immigration policy. While proponents argue it would protect American jobs and wages, critics fear it could stifle innovation, harm businesses, and damage the U.S.'s competitive edge. The actual impact would depend on how the fee is implemented, how companies and individuals adapt, and whether alternative policies are put in place. Ongoing analysis and adaptation will be crucial for both businesses and professionals navigating this evolving landscape.